A river is a world that plays tricks with its motion. I've straddled a stream, I can't fathom an ocean, but rivers have something like senses of humor. And ways of deceiving you later or sooner, precisely because they outmeasure us neatly. Like fire, or rainfall. At times so completely beyond our resistance they render us helpless. At times join drought or warm light in the darkness. A river's like health, and a river's like illness. There's no such thing out in the river as stillness.